heard Joyce laugh like that.
Joyce laugh like that?
Yeah.
Man, my hair's flat.
So my hair is oily. Hello.
Quintaro.
Is that her dad? Total hunk. I see where she got those ears from. Mamma mia. Well, I'm just saying. Okay. What are those lollipops?
Maybe if you're good, they'll give you one. No need to score. Sorry. Guys, I'm addicted to Roswell from
It's
ReZero.
like his soundboard.
All I need is ReZero character sound. That's my soundboard.
What would Amelia's be? Super! What would Rem's be? He's a weeb now. So we're exchanging the foreign currency in my piggy bank.
I'm exchanging her for
Okay,
Not
alright.
we are.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
That's true.
And by I'm just kidding, I mean I'm totally serious.
Yeah, so we're at the bank right now.
We at the bank. Shorty, what you think?
Hate you.
No, I've been there for a while, but I'm in San Ana. Yeah, on Grant.
It is
Grant.
not you, Joyce.
The one in me is my younger brother.
Okay, I
I'm
know,
on Grant, and my
not
older brother is
tall.
here. We're all the same
I
family.
look like a freaking child.
Exchange you. Wakandan dollars.
Yeah, you've been to the
Yeah,
one.
what's the exchange rate? I haven't checked that recently.
Is that
Oh,
your
yeah,
father
I'm
or
on-
your
I'm on
daddy?
Grant. Grant
It's
is
her fatty.
Where?
No,
Where?
it's right on Grant and the 22.
Father daddy.
Oh, bad.
What do you think?
If you can keep assuming what he is throughout the stream, right?
Hello. What's the exchange rate for US dollar to Korean?
We don't take
Got it. Well, in that case, do you know where we can do coins?
I don't know 100%. I know the main place mall has a currency place.
Okay.
I don't know if they
The which mall?
I don't know if they can.
Oh, we can get assignments.
Yeah, you don't have to do that right now, though. It's not a priority. The priority is this. Right?
Okay, I'm just saying it's nearby.
Is it really?
That place.
Can I just swap this for like a 20?
Excuse me, I am 5'1". Sergeant Pepper whiskey burn. Well, I guess I'm into gay guys.
Can I have a nice
No,
shirt,
these
please?
are not the earrings I lost. I lost another pair of earrings this weekend. I'm so sad.
Thank you very much.
My life. But anyways, thank you. Exchanging stripper money. That's what I do on weekends. Twitch isn't enough these days. Pass with a 79. I mean, it's easy to get degrees, man. Me too. Can I have a go? No. Only I can have him. You no touch. Acne, what do you guys think? Better? Worse? Same? Twitch money, by the way. I know. Look, Twitch takes half my subs. You can imagine my losses.